Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the Oman Air application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button or the flight button, and then you should select the type of trip at the top: one way, return, or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point, flight from, and after that you should select your destination. Then select your outbound and inbound. Then you should select the type of class, and if you have any promo code then you can add it to this section. And you should also select the number of passengers, and if you are done with adding these details, tap on the next button and the available flights will appear at this site if there's any flight available. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.